Hello, I am Faiz Rasool from Pakistan. I am certified Microsoft Innovative Educator. I have done Masters in Computer Science. I have more than 7 years of teaching experience at various levels. I love teaching programming, machine learning and artificial intelligence concepts to the kids by using the block-based programming like CryptoBlocks, MBlock and Scratch. I can create custom lessons according to the needs of the students. I have vast experience of teaching programming languages like Python, Java, C++, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, database management systems, and WordPress. I am also certified STEM and robotic trainer. I have created a custom curriculum of robotics and smart circuits with Arduino for the grade 1 to grade 12 students. I will help you in your homework, assignments, projects for school level to college level. If you want to develop your better concepts in programming languages, logical thinking and problem solving skills, do book a demo class with me. See you in the class.